This is a review for this 41-inch light bar from Nilight. This one is pretty slender, I would say. I found other ones that are 2 rows of LEDs. This one does a great job of getting a very wide band of white light across the whole back of this 41-inch light bar. For having a single row, these LEDs are quite large. The outside ones, if you can kind of see, it's broken down in some sections here, but they point at different directions. The outer sections of LEDs kind of point off to the side. So you've got a big wide bar in the center that's pointing at light directly out, and then the ones that are out towards the end are shining out to the side. So it really does give a really wide array of light shining out of the back. I'm in broad daylight right now. If I flick these on, they are extremely bright even in the day. I mean, they are very bright. This thing lights up a huge path of light behind this trailer. I got these to be able to have to be able to see the environment behind me, but also we have an awning on the back of this trailer and I needed some ambient light. So it actually shines underneath the awning and lights up the awning from underneath, and then it's more of a like a contained light. But otherwise, it's shining directly out of the back, and this is broad daylight. They are very bright at night. I do like the slender effect to it. You can see about the size of this. It's not very tall. I think it's about 1.25 inches tall here. It did come with 2 different size mounting bracket arms. These ones are the long ones. There are shorter ones as well that it came with. So your overall dimension, I think, is about 3 to 4 inches off of wherever you mount it to for the longer one, and then it's much tighter if you use the shorter bracket. The cord comes off the back here, and I've got it wrapped around and then wired into my power. It's a very thick cord. I think it's about 14 or 16 gauge wire inside of it. And I would say the overall cord length that it came with was about 3 feet, maybe 3.5 feet. But I did have to cut it down a little bit. This is a heavy duty cable like an outdoor power cord would be. You can see how I've got it mounted here in the bottom of this T-slot. I purchased separate T-slot bolts that would fit inside this bracket, and then I mounted it up underneath here. And then these bolts came in and they just go on the side and hold in place. It doesn't move up and down. It's been on there for a long time. It's been bouncing around a lot and it hasn't moved at all. Completely waterproof, and it's done a great job for me.